The electrical button, threshold and release the electrical button. Several. Safety on board is number one priority for me and myself. Away from the boat, never swim out towards the ocean. Ladies and gents, we're approaching the cave. There's a maze of caves underneath, stretching down to the far right corner and to the left corner. Different entrances, different exits. Have a look at the stone sea arch on your right hand side. Both are to swim inside, to jump off the stone sea arch. Stone sea arch on your left hand side, ladies and gents. Thank you. So ladies and gentlemen, here, one on each side, looking and side looking. On your right into the corner there, that's a cave going in 30 meters. The place here is called Palaces, so they spend time there, in the royal bedroom. And what we have the legend.
It's okay. Sweet talk Poseidon.
Your partner, it's eternal love. Some people say it's cursed and your partner will come. Pirates Cave, everybody. People used to live here 100 years ago, hence the charred black gold and the inside. Put on big one or what? Nah, go on.
Make a video if you like.
Literally top.
Right next to sober cat. Nope, next one. There it is.
Ladies and gents, this is the church cave and the church cave dive inside. 12 meters high, 12 meters deep.
1 second because the lady came. Come on. So everybody, look at me. Look at the camera and say hello. And 3, 2, 1, go. Look at me and say hello. And 3, 2, 1, go. So we're getting this tonight? It's raining Americans today. I love it. All right, so one more. Yes. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
David!
Hey, Russia.
All right, he's disqualified. What's that? Hey, look at him going.
Calm down.
He's disqualified. America brings it home! Nobody expected it! The underdogs of today! Connor Daly in the house, everybody! Round of applause to all of you! You made it happen! Big respect! America wins, everybody! Good job! Team USA, all the way! Let's go! Thank you! We have another 20 minutes! Go enjoy yourselves! We have 20 minutes of swimming, jumping off the board.
Thank you.